In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoices on Stripe. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or someone managing accounts for a larger entity, sending invoices via Stripe can make your billing process seamless and efficient. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to stripe.com. Open up your preferred web browser and type stripe.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll want to look for the sign in button. Click that and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you already have an account, simply enter your email and password. If you've forgotten your credentials, there are helpful links to recover them. Once you've successfully logged in, Stripe may prompt you for a verification code. This extra step helps keep your account secure, so be sure to have your phone or email ready to receive the code. Enter it when prompted and you'll be taken to your dashboard. Now that you're on the Stripe dashboard, navigate to the Home section. This is where you'll find various options including Billing. Click on Billing to proceed. Here you'll see an option labelled Invoice. This is what we're interested in today. Go ahead and click Invoice to start creating a new one. On the Invoices page, find the button that says Create Invoice and give it a click. Now we're getting into the details of what your invoice will entail. Start by entering the customer details. If it's someone you've billed before, they might already be in your system. Choose the correct customer from your list or enter the new customer's details manually. Once your customer is selected, move on to selecting the currency for your invoice. It's crucial to ensure the currency matches your client's preference or default payment method. With the currency set, it's time to add the items or products involved in this transaction. You can manually enter items line by line, detailing the nature of each product or service. After adding items, set the specific prices. Make sure these are accurate and agreed upon with your client to prevent any confusion. Next, you need to determine the payment collection method. Stripe offers various options here. You can allow automatic payment collection or choose to manage it manually depending on what suits your business needs. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, it's time to save your invoice. Click on the Save button and your draft invoice will be stored securely. Review it once more to ensure everything is correctly filled out. When you're satisfied with the invoice, the final step is to send it to your client. Simply click on Send Invoice and it will be emailed directly to the customer, making the transaction both professional and streamlined. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to sending invoices using Stripe. With these steps, you can easily manage billing and ensure smooth transactions for your business. Happy